Avoid the uncertainty with the safety seal by ReRoute. The sticker is designed to show any attempts of tampering. Once the sticker is removed, it leaves a customized message to the consumer if their delivery has been tampered with. Notice the sticker cannot be reapplied as the warning message is exposed. An intact sticker will show that your delivery has not been tampered with. Once the sticker has been removed, the warning label is exposed and cannot be reapplied. Ensure your food is delivered safely with the ReRoute safety seal. ReRoute, safe and secured for your peace of mind.